whiteout snow, freezing rain, and thunder sleet.
5 to 10 inches expected.
To see the evidence that this was going to be a weather event that had the potential to threaten our state, to threaten our communities, and to threaten our people, I signed an executive order declaring an official state of emergency.
I've been running into you in my head.
Ooh, yeah. You know, I want your money. I've no excuse. I just want you to use me. Take me and abuse me. I got no taboos. I make a trade with you. Do anything you want me to. Money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. And dirty cash, I need you. Oh, money talks. Money talks. Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you. Oh.
The one that you asked for. I'm wanted by the rich and the poor. More and more, you just can't reject it. And I'm the one that can relate to you, him, her, and your buddy. Cause everybody wants some. Money ain't all, but you can't excuse it. The way I'm living, I got to use it.